Club Awesome was the original WordPress for Toastmasters website. And one reason I like WordPress is that it makes it easy to share video so that we can share something about the character of our club that way. But we also use video as an educational tool. We share videos from our weekly meetings in a members only format, and we upload them to YouTube, but we upload them as unlisted videos, which means they don't show up in search, they don't show up anybody browsing YouTube. You essentially have to have the coded link. So it's reasonably secure for people to know that they won't become YouTube stars until they're comfortable that their speech is really dynamite. But I can log in if I'm a member. And see this video. We also email out the same content on a weekly basis. So here's a batch of videos from a few weeks ago. And I'm going to show you the tools built into WordPress for Toastmasters that help you accomplish this. But we now have years of these archives accumulated, and they're all tagged by the name of the member who gave the speech. We can stop and watch any one of these. Now, something we added recently is an index where I can go back and I can look up by the name of the member to see all the speeches associated with that member. So for me, I can go back and look at speeches that I did several years ago. You see the speech titles right underneath the links. And here's the tool built into Toastmasters extensions to WordPress that I've been using. I can grab the link to a video and I plug it into this form that includes the names of the members and their speech project and title details pulled from the agenda. So I plug in the video links and I can set this to be immediately published, but as a members only post. There's a disclaimer down the bottom that explains our video policy is not to share the videos outside the club without permission. And we get back a quick preview inviting us to look in more detail. And I'm going to look at the email preview. So this is a special template. Instead of showing this like a blog post on the website, it's showing it in approximately the format of the email that would go out. And I've just checked off where it says to send this to website members, which are the members of our club. And I click send this out to send it out to all my members. Now, another way you might use this, if you are meeting online like a lot of clubs are right at the moment, and you're posting a replay of the entire Zoom meeting recording, I can still check off the member names. It'll still include the names and speech titles in the blog post and the email that I'm creating. We look at any of the blog posts we've created in the editor. So we see a preview of the video and our speech titles included. And then over on the side, we have members only and video checked off as the major categories. And then we have the names of the speakers in here as additional tags that we can use to look things up.
In contrast, if I wanted to publish a video manually, I change this one from unlisted to public in the YouTube settings. And I'll copy the link. If I simply paste that link into the body of a post, it automatically adds the YouTube video player code. So I could add some additional description to go along with this. I don't need to make this members only. I'm going to make this one public. I'll do video, and I could also put in my name to make it easier to find. in our archives. So what the tool that I've been showing you does is it makes it easier to do those things consistently. You don't have to make them members only, but you can if that would be something that would be useful in the context of your club.